sources of electricity. The easiest form of energy for us to use is electricity. Electricity can be created and sent across long distances through wires. Many of our gadgets also run on electricity. We use electricity in our day-to-day life. Electricity is generated in different ways. Water, wind, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, nuclear power. We can use all of these to create electricity. If we create electricity using water, we call it hydel power or hydroelectricity. When the water that is stored in the dams is released, it flows with great force. A turbine is put in the way of this water. The flow of the water turns the turbine and electricity is generated. The water is used for our regular purposes. This way of generating electricity causes less harm to the surroundings. This is because we don't heat up or burn anything. We don't add any waste to the air, water or soil. We can even create electricity using heat. Water is heated using coal, mineral oil or natural gas. When water is heated, steam is generated. The force of this steam is used to turn the turbines and generate electricity. This kind of electricity is called thermal electricity. Thermal means heat. Thermal electricity is the electricity created using heat. It is also known as thermal power. In this, we have to burn the coal, mineral oil or natural gas to create heat. Nuclear energy is a clean, safe way to make electricity. It does not burn any fuel like coal, so there are no pollutants released into the air. Nuclear energy is energy that is stored in the nucleus or center core of an atom. A big atom is split into two smaller atoms. The two smaller atoms don't need as much energy to hold them together as the larger atom, so extra energy is released. This is the energy that we can use. We call it nuclear energy. The energy is used to boil water. Then steam turns huge turbines that drive generators that make electricity. The steam is then changed back into water and cooled down in a cooling tower. The water can then be used over and over again. The big structures that you see in a nuclear power plant are cooling towers. You can't just split any atom to make nuclear energy. Only some atoms can be used. We can use atoms of metals like uranium and thorium. The electricity generated this way is known as nuclear power. Very few countries produce nuclear power. We have nuclear power producing stations in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Rajasthan.